Hello, good evening, everyone. Today, I'm here to talk about the NoSQL database. But before I talk about it, I would like to explain a few things about the NoSQL. The NoSQL also refers to as not only SQL. It's an approach to database design that enables the storage and querying of data outside the traditional structures found in relational databases. While it can still store data found within relational database management systems, it just stores it differently compared to an RDBMS. The decision to use a relational database versus a non-relational database is largely contextual, and it varies depending on the use case. Instead of the typical tabular structure of a relational database, the NoSQL databases house data within one data structure, such as JSON document. Since this non-relational database design does not require a schema, it offers a rapid scalability to manage large and typically unstructured data sets. So now I would like to talk about the relational database, what it means, and maybe the terms in it. The term relational database was first defined by J.F. Codd at IBM in 1970. Codd introduced the term in his research paper, A Relational Model of Data for Large Shared Data Banks. In this paper and later papers, he defined what he meant by relational. One well-known definition of what constitutes a relational database system is composed of closed-up rules. However, no commercial implementations of the relational data model conform to all of Codd's rules, so the term has gradually come to describe a broader class of database systems, which, at a minimum, present the data to the user as relations, and also provide relational operators to manipulate the data in a tabular form. So now I would like to explain if the relational database will eventually be out of the system or not. The relational database is not going to be out of the system because a relational model organizes data in one or more tables of columns and rows with a unique key identifying each row. Rows are also called records or tuples. Columns are also called attributes. Generally, each table relation represents one entity type, such as customer or product. The rows represent instances of that type of entity, and the columns representing values attributed to their instance, such as address or price. For example, each row of a class table corresponds to a class, and a class corresponds to multiple students. So the relationship between the class table and the student table is one to many. Thank you very much.